Think you need thousands to start investing? Think again. Today I'll show you how to get started with just $100. That's right, you don't need a trust fund or a six-figure salary to start growing your wealth. I'll guide you through smart, low-cost investment options that can grow your wealth, even if you're on a tight budget. We're talking about simple strategies that anyone can use, so stick around, hit that subscribe button, and let's unlock your financial future together. First things first, you need the right tools for the job, and in the world of investing, that's a brokerage account. Now you might be thinking, brokerage account sounds expensive, but trust me, it doesn't have to be. We're in the golden age of no-fee trading, and there are platforms out there practically begging you to invest without breaking the bank. We're talking about places like Robinhood, M1 Finance, Webull. These platforms have completely revolutionized the game. They've thrown those pesky trading commissions out the window, making it possible for you to buy and sell stocks and ETFs without getting slammed with fees. Think about it. Every dollar you save on fees is a dollar that stays invested, working hard for you in the market. It's like avoiding a leaky faucet in your financial life, especially when you're starting small. Those fees can eat into your returns like crazy. We want your money working for you, not lining the pockets of some brokerage firm. Now I know what you might be thinking. Okay, no fees, that's great, but how do I actually choose a brokerage account? Well, I've got you covered. Do your research, compare different platforms, and see which one aligns best with your needs and investing style. Some platforms have slick apps and educational resources which are perfect for beginners, while others cater to more experienced investors. It's all about finding the right fit for you. Remember, this is your financial journey and you're in the driver's seat. Take the time to read reviews and ratings from other users. Their experiences can provide valuable insights. Attend webinars and online workshops offered by these platforms. They often provide a wealth of information and can help you make an informed decision. Once you've chosen a platform, setting up your account is usually straightforward. Follow the prompts, and you'll be ready to start investing in no time. And remember, the goal is to grow your wealth over time. With no-fee trading, you can focus on making smart investment choices without worrying about hidden costs. Stay committed to your long-term financial goals and let your investments work for you. The journey might have its ups and downs, but with the right tools and mindset, you can achieve financial success. So, ditch the fees, open a no-fee brokerage account, and take control of your financial future today. Now let's talk about what you'll actually be investing in. This is where the magic happens. Don't worry, you don't need to become a Wall Street whiz overnight. In fact, you don't need to be a financial expert at all. We're going to keep it simple and effective with index funds. These are the unsung heroes of the investing world. Think of index funds like the all-star team of the investing world. They bring together the best of the best. Instead of trying to pick individual stocks, which is about as predictable as predicting the weather 3 months out, you can rely on index funds. Index funds let you invest in a basket of stocks that track a specific market index, like the S&P 500. This means you're not putting all your eggs in one basket. The S&P 500 is like the VIP room of the stock market, home to 500 of the largest, most influential US companies. These are the giants of the industry. When you invest in an S&P 500 index fund, you're essentially buying a tiny piece of each of those companies. It's like owning a slice of the entire market. And the best part? Index funds are incredibly low cost. They offer a cost-effective way to invest without sacrificing quality. They're like the Toyota Camry of the investing world. Reliable, efficient, and they get the job done without breaking the bank. You get great value for your money. One of my favorite examples is Vanguard's S&P 500 ETF, VOO. It's a prime example of how you can invest smartly and affordably. This bad boy has an expense ratio so low it would make Warren Buffett proud. We're talking 0.03%, meaning you only pay $3 in fees for every $10,000 invested. That's it. But wait, there's more. Index funds aren't just about keeping costs low, they're also about diversification. This is a key strategy for managing risk. By spreading your money across hundreds of different companies, you're reducing your risk. It's a smart way to protect your investments. It's like the old saying goes, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification is your safety net. Index funds take that to heart. They offer a balanced approach to investing, ensuring you have a stake in a wide array of companies, which can lead to more stable returns over time. Now, you might be thinking, Graham, I only have $100. How am I supposed to buy into these big-name companies? Well, my friend, that's where the magic of fractional shares comes in. Fractional shares are exactly what they sound like. Fractions of whole shares. They let you invest in companies with high stock prices, even if you don't have thousands of dollars lying around. Let's say you've always wanted to own a piece of Amazon or Tesla, but their share prices seem out of reach. With fractional shares, you can buy a portion of a share for as little as a few dollars. It's like getting a taste of the good life without breaking the bank. This is a game changer for small investors because it opens up a world of possibilities. You're no longer limited to companies with low share prices. You can invest in the companies you believe in, regardless of their stock price. And the best part? Fractional shares come with all the same benefits as owning whole shares. You still get to participate in the company's growth and receive dividends if they're offered. It's like having your cake and eating it too, but with stocks instead of cake. Now let's talk about a strategy that's about as exciting as watching paint dry, but just as effective: dollar cost averaging. This method might not make headlines, but it's a tried and true approach that has stood the test of time. I know it doesn't sound very glamorous, but trust me on this one. It's a strategy that can help you sleep better at night, knowing you're making steady progress. Dollar cost averaging is like the slow and steady tortoise in the race against the hare. It might not seem like much at first, but it wins in the long run. Just like the tortoise, this strategy is all about consistency and patience. The basic idea is simple. Instead of trying to time the market and invest a lump sum all at once, you invest small amounts of money at regular intervals, like $10 a week or $50 a month. This way, you're spreading out your investments over time. It's like setting your investments on autopilot. You don't have to worry about the daily ups and downs of the market. Now, you might be thinking, but Graham, wouldn't I make more money if I invested everything at once when the market is low? It's a valid question and a common concern, and you're right, you could. In an ideal world, we'd all buy low and sell high. But here's the catch. Timing the market is incredibly difficult, even for professional investors. The market is unpredictable and can change in the blink of an eye. It's like trying to catch a falling knife. You're more likely to get hurt than to succeed. The risks of mistiming your investments can be significant. Dollar cost averaging takes the emotion out of investing. It helps you avoid the pitfalls of emotional decision-making. By investing consistently, you're buying more shares when the market is down and fewer shares when the market is up. This disciplined approach can help you stay on track. This averages out your purchase price over time, reducing your risk and potentially boosting your returns in the long run. It's a marathon, not a sprint, and dollar cost averaging can help you reach your financial goals steadily and surely. Now I know what you're thinking. Graham, I can barely remember to water my plants, let alone invest regularly. Well, my friend, that's where the beauty of automation comes in. In today's digital age, there's no excuse not to automate your investments. Most brokerage platforms allow you to set up automatic contributions from your bank account, so you can invest without even thinking about it. It's like setting up a direct deposit for your investments. You choose the amount you want to invest, the frequency, weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, and the platform does the rest. It's that easy. And if you're really serious about automating your investments, you can check out platforms like Acorns. Acorns rounds up your spare change from everyday purchases and invests it for you. It's like having a personal investment assistant in your pocket. Automating your investments is one of the best things you can do for your financial future. It takes the emotion out of investing, ensures consistent contributions, and helps you build wealth on autopilot. It's like having a robot work for you 24/7, but instead of building cars, it's building your financial freedom. So there you have it, folks. We've covered everything you need to know to start investing with just $100. Remember, open a no-fee brokerage account, invest in low-cost index funds, take advantage of fractional shares, and automate your investments. It's that simple. Investing doesn't have to be complicated or intimidating. You don't need to be a Wall Street hotshot or have a finance degree to start growing your wealth. All you need is a little bit of knowledge, a willingness to learn, and the discipline to get started. The most important thing is to take action. Don't wait for the perfect time to invest, because the perfect time is now. The sooner you start, the sooner you can start reaping the rewards of compound growth. So what are you waiting for? Open that brokerage account, make your first investment, and start building your financial future today. There you have it. You don't need to be rolling in dough to start investing. With just $100 and the right strategies, you can begin building a brighter financial future for yourself. Remember, the most important step is to simply get started. Don't let another day go by without taking control of your finances. Now I'm curious, what are your biggest takeaways from this video? What are your financial goals? Let me know in the comments below. And hey, if you found this video helpful, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more financial tips and tricks. I'm constantly putting out new content to help you achieve your financial dreams. Until next time, stay focused, stay motivated, and keep crushing it.